Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2005 Nissan Pulsar Q sedan, stock reference number 4462. This shape runs from the 7th month 2000 through to the 12th month 2005. There's a QG18 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive transmission. QG18 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the left front. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light. This vehicle is fitted with factory 15-inch alloy mags. The left front has a bald tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has multiple small dents, left rear door also has multiple small dents. Left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre, left-hand tail light. Boot lid appears to have no damage, spoiler type. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover, tow bar supplied with all bolts and brackets, right-hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right rear door has one large dent and two small dents. Right front door has three small dents. Right power door mirror. Right guard one small dent, and a right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a grey centre console lid in vinyl. Manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type and sunroof type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.